So guys, sorry for the cutting. Welcome back actually to my new video. And today, I'm gonna be actually showing you how to get the parts for the ultimate, I mean, the parts for the ultimatrix that you need. So first of all, you need actually to go to the shop, right over there, here. And you need to buy the part 1. Part 1 will cost you $1,700. And where you can actually get them, you can't actually get in here at the city or at the tower raid. You can get it actually from the space by killing the boss. And then after you buying a part 1, you have actually to go to 3 places in chance to find the part 2. For example, it will be spawned at a water temple over there, or junkyard, or even at Omni City. After you've found the part 2 for the automatics, you have actually do some raid, which I will gonna showing you right now. Here actually what we here is actually what we have to do. We have actually to wait the ship to be showed up. Now, as I said, when you actually find the part 1 and 2 for the automatics, you need actually to get part 3 and 4. Some boss, it will drop the parts. For example, like a Cyrus map, when you defeat the forearm boss, it will drop part 3 or 4. Or maybe at the Swift planet, Google 2000 planet. To get to the device called the POTUS Altair, the chances actually is very limited as your knowledge. Not only actually you can get that you can get the POTUS. Some is after you after you defeat the way big boss is a tower, sometime it will drop osmosis upgrade 3. This only works for the players who has actually the osmosis power. Some he will drop the legendary spell book. Android and many users can only use this bug. Normal book, okay, like a magic book, can only be found in the junkyard. Or after you after you after you snooping around the junkyard, you will find actually just a normal spell book. A normal spell bug. It's, on the contrary, you can actually find it around the Omni city. Either it is on the junkyard or on the Omni city. But it also has a chances to be spawned. Just like a nano chip, but it also actually but it also has some chances that you need. Why I said actually there's a chances because you can't actually you're getting because actually you can't getting that oh, so at this space station you need to click on the floor number so it says 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to click on this so this is copyright and I don't want to get a YouTube strike. Alright, so that's actually why I'm gonna mute it. So anyway, we have actually to wait until we actually get. Alright, we teleported to the space it. So let's check actually on the Swift planet. I'm gonna be using actually. I will use actually a Blitz Warfare. This only works with the ultimatrix users. OS ultimatrix cannot getting a also for the ultimatrix, but the recalibrate users they can actually getting parts for the ultimate X. Now let's do actually some space to showing you how. All right. Can I keep doing this until we can get into the boat?